The idea was to live as cheap as possible, so no, we can. We bought the truck for 5,000 euros. Well, I think the total cost with everything we did, about 6,000.
But we bought the truck, it was not running. The guy left it next to the highway and he ran out of diesel in one tank. So he didn't know how to fix it, and then I fixed it on the place and we drove it home.
You fixed it after 3 minutes.
After 3 minutes we fixed it. So
yeah.
And then we bought the truck.
Yeah. So the reason it was so cheap because he didn't know how to fix it.
Yeah. His face when it started.
Yeah.
But the deal was made already.
Yeah.
The deal was made already, yeah.
Welcome to our living room. This is our workspace, living room, kitchen area. This is most Taco's place. He always chills here. This is the table, and we can also make a sofa out of it. The television is over here. We not really use it, but we have one. There is a water tank underneath.
There's a water tank underneath, and we remove the feet from the sofa. Yeah. And then we put it on top of the water tank.
Yeah.
And there's also the diesel heater inside. So whenever we turn it on, we don't use the stove, the wood stove. We can use the diesel heater. We leave the old control panel of the previous owner. This is for the battery, this is for the fan and the roof window. And there's like the light buttons.
You have solar panels and batteries?
Yes, we have 4 solar panels of 420 watt peaks, and we have 3 batteries of 250 amps, 12-volt gel batteries.
And it's enough even in rainy days, it's charging?
Always.
Even in rainy days it's charging enough. We don't have a lot of 230 machines, so we use like everything 12 volt. Even the water cooker is like really low amps, and the rest is all like 12 volts charging material.
'You have a tiny fridge?
Yes, we do. Yeah.
Also 12 volt.
Everything is recycled here, like sofa, and you build kitchen yourself. So.
Yeah, everything's recycled, everything is from used materials or somebody who built campers before, and we bought some stuff secondhand.
Even the fridge was secondhand?
Only the fridge is a new one.
That's the only thing.
Yeah, that's true.
I think that's the only thing we bought new. We tried to buy it secondhand.
We looked at secondhand fridges, but they're all very old or very used.
And still quite expensive, so that's why we decided to buy a new one.
And what is behind the door?
Ooh! The bed and bathroom. This is our shower. It's quite big actually. In my last studio it was, well, twice as small. So this is really, it's a luxury for us. And we have a window here, and we can even put this one
in the summer days to get cool air inside.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's the cheaper version of the really expensive.
And the composting toilet you built yourself?
Yeah, we built ourselves. We have chemical toilet put inside, and then we rebuild it as a composting toilet.
And you decided not to have a door to the bathroom?
We decided not to have a door to keep it all spacious.
Yeah.
And whenever somebody visits or comes around and wants to close the door, you can close the middle door.
Yeah, this one.
And then go use the toilet or whatever. And then there's the bedroom. We have the bookshelves with the books. Underneath we have some storage room for all the clothes. In the back there we have the power source and the batteries down there. And on the left there's the geyser. Also from inside, from the bathroom as well, we made a door. So whenever we want to go in from the inside, we can go in from the inside.
Yeah.
And what did you use for insulation?
We use PER plates, 5 centimeters, and we use it all around. So the floor, the walls and the ceiling.
And the plywood on top.
And the plywood on top, yeah. This is DAF 800 truck. It's 9 meters long and it's 3.5 meters high. The weight is about 7.5 tons. Box is 7 meters, 2 meter 50 to 40.
But these are our black doors. And this space is for the storage. It's under our bed.
On this side we have the LPG tank and the main generator, just in case we run out of power. On the other side we have one storage box in the back, and more to the front we have one big water tank. When we drive or when we want to sleep in the dark at night, we can shut the rear doors, so it's completely like not visible that it's a camper van. Before there was a guy doing like a motorcycle cross with it.
He
So
converted it into camper
There was a
van.
big garage in the back, and in the front there was like a small living space. We stripped everything out and then we rebuilt it from used materials.
What year is the truck?
The DAF is from 1991,
What is the mileage?
750,000.
And you have a huge awning.
The awning is like the full size of the truck, and it can also extend until 3.5 meters.
How long did it take you to build it?
2 months of hard work.
Full time.
Full time.
Yes,
Saturday,
correct.
Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday, evenings.
Evenings. We had a deadline, so we needed to work hard.
We quit our rent before
Yeah.
building it. So we had to be finished on a certain moment.
And you got a hot tub.
And we've got a hot tub,
yeah.
luxury bath. Also built by ourselves. It used to be like a farm tank, and we put a wooden stove of a hot tub inside, built some wooden benches inside, and then we called it a hot tub.
And the idea of it is not to travel, but to have it like with possibility to move it when you need it, but mostly like stationary to be
Mostly
staying.
stationary on one place, and
Yeah.
then maybe in the future to travel, but more likely we're gonna build another truck to travel and then stationary leave this at one certain place.
And
Yeah.
did you consider just a tiny house without like engine?
We considered it, but it's hard to make it possible in the Netherlands without permits and without the landowner
Yeah.
and without having your own piece of land.
Yeah, the idea was to live as cheap as possible. So, no, we can. And with a tiny house, it's, well, you have to pay for the ground and it's harder.
And now you are in beautiful location.
Yes.
Was it easy to find it?
Yes. Actually, it was.
It was quite easy because it was a coincidence, no?
Yeah.
It belongs to the family and it was not used, so we could use it for 1 year now, and after we have to move to another place.
This is Taco.
How old is Taco?
He's 2 years now.
Right, thanks for watching. I hope this video inspired you. It's a bit different way how you can build tiny house and still to be mobile. Let us know what do you think about this build, and see you the next one. Cheers!
In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you. When I open my eyes, hope that you're by my side.